Alright, welcome to Jeep Monkey Projects, I guess, of an epic fail video. I'm going to go ahead and post it anyways, just because, just to show you what I do on a daily basis. But I'm replacing this metal box with a remodel plastic one, and here I'm cutting it out with the reciprocating saw. As I'm getting drywall and crap in my mouth and eyes, and yeah, so when you guys do this, don't try this at home. Or at least wear some eye protection. That might help you a little bit. So right here I'm cutting the wire off on the end because it's kind of weird. There's some smaller wire spliced onto the house wire, and I think it was from the previous or the old lamp that originally was there, and the wires they just kept the wire there. So I'm cutting the ends off, and then here now I'm installing the blue remodel box. And here I'm holding my hand out, but I've got pieces of the wire jacketing in my hand, and I didn't even need wire strippers to strip the wire. The hot wiring in this house is so brittle and old. I mean, it's the original wiring. I don't know if it was from 1929, but it doesn't have the old tube and knob wiring. It just has like this. It's like Romex, but in fabric jacketing. I don't know what the actual name of this wire is. If they called it Romex, I don't know. Alright, here's where I find out where the power doesn't work. I don't even have power going to the switch. Everything else on this circuit works. It's just this line, there's some sort of disconnect. So I'll post a future video on this, on the full project when I actually run the line, the new line. I'll probably do it directly from the breaker box. And yeah, so hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And thank you for watching this epic fail.